Many finance teams lack modern expertise executing sophisticated deals that fund complex client objectives like mergers, acquisitions, IPOs, restructuring, and cross-border transactions. Consequently, teams scramble without a mastery of latest deal structures, valuation methods, regulation nuances, and buyer-seller negotiation tactics to win high-stakes mandates and drive growth. This intensive course provides professionals across banking, private equity, corporate development, and advisory services the investment banking skills integral for architecting impactful transactions in today's fast-paced deal ecosystems. Learners will review precedent deals unveiling inner workings of prominent strategies like leveraged buyouts, minority stake exits, pre-IPO placements, SPAC mergers, and multinational joint ventures. With deal-making mastery, client teams can pursue broader, bolder transactional growth initiatives. Team members also gain career springboards as trusted advisors sought for complex investment banking mandates across the Americas, Asia-Pacific, and EME regions. Don't let underdeveloped investment banking skills stunt transactional ambitions. Register now and gain expertise to architect tomorrow's high-stakes deals.